That sounds good. That sounds good. And these words, these phrases, normally you can't say, that sounds good. It doesn't work. Especially if you have a personality like me, means mock mock, it goes with you. Oh, that sounds good. That is sounds good ስትሉ በጣም አሪፍ ነው። በጣም ተመቸኝ፣ በጣም ደስ አለኝ፣ ተመቸኝ፣ ይመችሽ፣ ይመችክ። it sounds good ይመቻል። እና አንድ ነገር ወይ ሰው ወይ አንድ ሰው ኦፈር ሲያደርግላችሁ የሆነ ነገር የምትፈልጉት ተሰጣችሁ ፎር ኤግዛምፕል ገበያ ሄዳችሁ በጣም ውድ የመሰላችሁን ነገር ስትጠይቁ በጣም ርካሽ ነው that sounds good even ሱቅ ሄዳችሁ someone gives you an offer or someone gives you a discount it doesn't matter, you just go and check it. If you like it, I'm going to give you extra discount. When they say that, you will say, oh, that's nice, that sounds good. When someone tells you a really very interesting end of the story, for example, I've been up and down, blah, blah, at the end, I got what you want. When they tell you that, when the story is ending with something good, we'll say, oh my God, that sounds good. Easy. Please, next time, when you have something like that, say this phrase and let me be proud of me.